T-Series gains 9,000 subscribers in... Wait, what? Proving they use... What? So he had 91,000 and he went to... Whoa. Is that real? When did this happen? How do you get 9,000 subscribers? I mean, I guess it could be fake, but I don't know. How do you get 9,000 subscribers like that?
So recently a screencast of Social Blade appeared that showed T-Series getting 9,000 subscribers in a second, which never happened before without using subbots. And here's the thing, it never happened. Here's my explanation. All YouTube data is stored at a relatively centralized database that can take millions of requests at a time. So what they do is set up a bunch of servers called caches that regularly sync up with the main database. Each of these caches can serve a couple thousand users at a time. Because they don't sync up all at once, some of them are always slightly out of sync before they reach out to the database again. Each time you request the subscriber count of a channel, you get connected to a random cache server. Depending on when the cache server you get connected to updated for the last time, you'll get a different number depending on the cache server. So my guess for what happened is that Social Blade got a rare streak of a few extremely outdated cache servers in a row until they got a more recent one, which caused that huge spike of 9,000 subscribers at a second. Tom Scott actually made a more complete video about this topic, so I suggest check that out and bye.